Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to take photo on Samsung Galaxy A17. To take photo, firstly we have to enter camera. You can simply do it by pressing camera button on the homepage of your smartphone. Also, when that smartphone is locked, you can always enter camera by pressing and holding this button. Next, swipe up to enter camera. To take photo, firstly select photo mode and press white dot in the center of the screen. You can also select portrait mode, fun mode, Pro, panorama, food, night, macro, and then you can zoom in, out, enable flashlight, change size and FPS. In the end, you can adjust filters for the photo. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.